I'm so excited to show you around Impact, my membership for school counselors. So once you log in, you'll see all resources. And these are all of the resources that you find in my TPT store or on my website. They're all here and it's all inclusive for Impact members. So if you click here, you can sort by grade level, by topic, or by season. So let's check it out. Let's say you're looking for something for middle school. Click there and then you'll see only middle school resources. Or let's say you're looking for something on self-control. Click here and you'll see only self-control resources. You'll notice there's class lessons, small groups, individual curriculum, and standalone activities and games. Or perhaps you're looking for something by season. If it's fall, maybe you're looking for something fall or Halloween themed. So you can sort that way as well. And then if you check out over here, we have our new resources. We add new resources each and every month, and you can find all the latest resources here. You can also find your lesson plans. If you want someone to tell you like a little more guidance on what to do, how to do it, when to do it, you'll love the monthly lesson plans. When you download the monthly lesson plans, you'll get the lesson plan as well as the companion resources included all in one download, keeping it super simple for you. If you're looking for games, click games and you'll see we have a variety of board games, card games, and all kinds of interactive games, including some digital ones as well. And finally, if you click data tools, you'll find some awesome data tools for the school counselor, things like behavior surveys, self-assessments, needs assessments, data walls, referral forms, anything you can think of for the counselor, we've got your data tools covered. Now, also at the top, you'll see class lessons, small groups, and individual counseling. So you can filter by tier. So tier 1, these are your class lessons. And then on the side, if you want to take it a step further, you could always say, okay, I want class lessons for primary. Click there and you'll only see primary class lessons. Or perhaps you're looking for small groups, but for middle school. Click there and you'll only see middle school small groups. So the features on the side are really nice for narrowing down to get exactly what you're looking for. And individual counseling, same thing. You can click if you're looking for elementary, and then you'll only see the elementary individual counseling resources here. Okay, so let's say we want to download something and check it out. So let's say we're looking for something on executive functioning. We'll go down to the executive functioning topic. We see a group. Now you can also read a little description about the group to make sure it's what you're looking for, and you can click on these thumbnails to get a preview of what's included. So you can see exactly what's included before you decide if you'd like to get it or not. Then you click download now, and because you're logged in, you'll see that on the checkout page it comes out to $0. So it says your order's free, no payments required, because you're already all logged in. So then you just click complete order. You should be able to download right here. It'll say download, click your download, and there it is. You'll see that the zip file you can directly download to your computer, use it with a student right away. Aside from the resources, Impact offers the community, the newsletter, and the PD. So the community you can find here. Inside our community, you can go ahead and write a post asking for a resource that you're looking for, advice on a tough case, and be sure to introduce yourself as well. And then under professional development, you can find your monthly trainings. Every month we have a new training and you can watch the training here as well as click to get your PD certificate. You'll also notice our summer summit is here. This one is from last year, but we always put the most recent one. So we do this every June. And the newsletter, this is an Impact member favorite. We have a monthly newsletter, a PDF version, and an editable one that you can customize to send home to caregivers. And probably the best feature of Impact is the search bar. So let's say you're looking for something on bullying. Simply search bullying and you'll see here all of the bullying resources. You can then filter by grade level, like elementary, and you can filter by resource type. So if you're looking for an elementary bullying class lesson, do those filters and there you go. You're good to go. I hope you find Impact super helpful and that you love this resource. Thanks for joining me inside Impact.